And our next story tracks India's upcoming budget, where the focus is likely to be on India Inc.'s demands for creating employment, investments and fostering innovation as India sets its eyes on transforming into a developed economy. Take a look at our next report.
In a recent pre-budget consultation with Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, corporate leaders outlined several key demands to bolster India's economic growth. The industry representatives emphasized the need to lower the income tax burden on the common man, increase capital expenditure, and implement firm measures to control food inflation. They also stressed the importance of boosting the micro, small, and medium enterprises, or the MSME sector, which is considered the backbone of the Indian economy as it is a major employment generator. The Confederation of Indian Industry, or the CII, presented an 8-point agenda including income tax relief for lower-income groups, streamlining employment-linked incentive schemes like the production-linked incentive, and promoting ease of doing business. They also made recommendations for agriculture and rural development. The Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry focused on a drive for capital expenditure, innovation, and tax simplification. They highlighted the need for supporting growth momentum by energizing demand, focusing on infrastructure development, and addressing food inflation. FICCI also emphasized the necessity of supporting MSMEs and prioritizing innovation and research and development. Other industry leaders have suggested various measures, including easing licensing requirements for electronics imports, implementing labor reforms, and extending the MSME non-performing asset timeline to 180 days from the current 90 days. They also highlighted the importance of a green transition in the context of climate change. With corporate profits rising and emerging as a key pillar for India's economic growth, the budget is likely to take recommendations from India INC on priority. Business Bureau WION, World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.